Welcome back to the Herbalist channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something that could easily become your favorite go-to dish in the kitchen. You know how we always look for ways to strengthen our bodies naturally, right? Well, let me introduce you to a soup that is not just delicious, but a real natural body shield. Yes, I'm talking about Borscht Soup. Now, this colorful, earthy, and wholesome soup is not just a meal. It's a full-blown health booster. And in today's video, I'm going to show you why Borscht Soup is a natural body shield. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the magic of Borscht Soup. Origins and importance. First things first, borscht is a traditional Eastern European soup, often made with beets. That's where it gets its stunning, deep red color. But beyond being beautiful, borscht carries with it a deep history of healing properties. For centuries, people have been turning to borscht not just because it's tasty, but because it's a natural way to boost your health. In fact, many cultures believe it to be a medicinal dish. And you'll soon see why. The power of beets. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the beetroot. Beetroot is loaded with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants that are known to help your body fight off illness. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C, iron, potassium, and folate. These are the things your body craves for strong immune function. But here's where it gets really exciting. Beetroot contains nitrates. When consumed, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, which is amazing for your blood pressure. They help widen and relax blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing blood pressure. So, by enjoying a bowl of borscht, you're giving your heart a natural boost. Immune-boosting power. We all want a strong immune system, especially these days, right? Borscht is packed with ingredients that help boost your immune system. Not just the beetroot, but other veggies like carrots, cabbage, garlic, and onions all play a part. Garlic, for example, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Onions contain powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Together, these ingredients turn borscht into a delicious defense against colds and flu. It's like having a natural, warming shield for your body. Digestive health. Now let's not forget about your gut. One of the keys to overall health is good digestion, and guess what? Borscht is great for your digestive system. The high fiber content in the beets and other vegetables helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. This can help prevent constipation and support a healthy gut microbiome. Plus, the fiber also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, keeping it balanced and healthy. So, not only are you shielding your body from illness, but you're also improving your gut health with each spoonful. Detoxifying benefits. Beets are also known for their detoxifying properties. They help your liver do its job better by aiding in the detoxification process. Beets contain a special compound called betaine, which helps your liver break down toxins more efficiently. In other words, borscht acts like a natural cleanser for your body. You're not just eating for today, you're eating for long-term health. And who doesn't want a little detox boost? Anti-inflammatory properties. Another amazing benefit of borscht is its anti-inflammatory properties. Beetroot contains betalains, which are powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body. Inflammation is often the root cause of many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. By reducing inflammation, you're lowering your risk of these diseases. And the best part? It's as simple as eating a bowl of borscht. High in vitamins and minerals. Let's talk a little more about the vitamins and minerals in borscht. Beets are high in vitamin C, which is crucial for your immune system. This vitamin helps your body produce white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Beets also contain folate, a B vitamin that's important for cell growth and function. And don't forget about potassium, which helps balance fluids in your body and supports proper muscle function. It's like eating a bowl of vitality. Easy to make and customize. Another great thing about borscht is that it's so versatile. You can make it vegetarian, or you can add meat like beef or pork for extra protein. It's easy to customize, which means you can tweak it to suit your dietary needs or preferences. Plus, it's super simple to make. Chop up your veggies, simmer them with broth, and in about an hour, you've got a nourishing, hearty meal. Healthy food doesn't have to be complicated. A comfort food with benefits. At the end of the day, borscht isn't just about being healthy. It's also about comfort. There's something so warm and satisfying about a bowl of soup. And with borscht, you get the added bonus of knowing that each spoonful is doing something good for your body. It's like a hug from the inside out, a comforting meal that also strengthens and protects your body. So, the next time you're looking for a meal that can nourish your body and boost your health, give borscht a try. This vibrant, nutrient-packed soup is not only delicious, but a natural body shield. Your immune system will thank you, your heart will thank you, and your body will feel the benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Herbalist channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. See you next time. Stay healthy.